Hello everyone, welcome to English Shorthand classes. Exercise 12. Get ready for the dictation. Start. It has been generally felt that we have not succeeded in providing the essential items to the poor people through this system. Stop. Middlemen hoard food grains and sell them in the black market to make profit. Stop. It results in exploitation of the poor people. Stop. In my district, some people have managed to get allotment of shops in fictitious names which a view to sell the food grains in the black market. Stop. They distribute the same to the people through fair price shops. Stop. This has caused a lot of trouble to the people, to those belonging to the weaker sections and poor farmers. Stop. I would like the government to evolve means through which essential articles could be made available to the people at cheaper rates. Stop. Black marketing has frustrated our entire scheme, as a result of which the benefits which the government intends to provide to the people through fair price shops do not reach them. Stop. Fair price shop holders have not been able to get the due margin they deserve. Stop. That is also one of the reasons for their selling food grains in the black market. Stop.